Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to cover a super important topic: how to prepare your vehicle for a long trip. Whether you are planning a cross-country adventure or a weekend getaway, making sure your car is ready is crucial for a safe and enjoyable journey. Let's get started. Check oil level. First things first, let's check all the essential fluids. Start with the engine oil. Engine oil lubricates moving components of your vehicle, so they can move without too much friction. If you've gotten an oil change within your recommended timeframe, use the dipstick to check the oil condition and fill level. If it's black, gritty or below the minimum fill line, get it checked out right away. Check the coolant. Engines produce a lot of heat and the radiator keeps it cool. Coolant extracts heat from the engine and dissipates it through the radiator. A low coolant level will likely result in overheating, so check your coolant and top it off if need be. Inspect your tire tread. The tread provides traction and also helps to channel water away from your tire so that it can stay in contact with the road when it rains. If your tire treads are worn down, you could lose control of your vehicles, especially when the road is wet. Therefore, it is necessary to inspect your tires before going to long trip. Carry a roadside survival kit. Roadside survival kit includes a spare mobile phone and rechargeable battery pack, a spare tire, and emergency tools such as flashlight, screwdrivers, pliers, and an adjustable spanner. A functional spare tire is essential in case of a flat tire. Ensuring it's in good condition prevents delays and further issues. Check tire pressure. Overinflated tires make ride quality worse because they're less compliant. The wrong air pressure also causes tires to wear unevenly. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency, handling, and tire lifespan. Check your tire pressures before you leave, and then roughly every 1,000 miles as you travel. Brake pads. Brake pads provide the friction needed to slow and stop your car. They wear away with use, eventually becoming too thin to work effectively. Usually it's obvious when this happens due to the irritating screeching or squealing noise they make when there isn't enough pad material left. Light bulbs. Having a burned-out headlight, taillight, or blinker is an easy way to get pulled over on a drive. To make sure they're all in working order, turn on your car, leave it in park, switch on the headlights, and walk around the car to see if any bulbs are burned out. Repeat the process for the left and right turn signals. Clean inside and outside. Cleaning the car interior should be a priority before you set off. Pay close attention to anything you frequently come into contact with: seats, floor mats, storage areas and dashboard controls. Make sure the trunk is clean, so it won't damage your luggage, or any souvenirs you pick up along the way. Don't forget to also give the exterior a good wash before you leave. Check the battery. Long trips often involve multiple starts and stops. A weak or failing battery is one of the most common causes of car breakdowns. Ensuring your battery is in good condition helps avoid getting stranded, especially in remote areas. Plan route. Finally, plan your route ahead of time. Use a reliable GPS or map app, and make note of rest stops, gas stations, and any points of interest. It's also a good idea to share your route with a friend or family member. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will be well prepared for a safe and smooth journey. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.